Hello, friends. This is the letter T. Say it with me, T. Now, to make the T sound, you're going to open your mouth a little. The tip of your tongue is going to go on the roof of your mouth. You're not going to use your voice. You're going to flick your tongue forward and push out a little bit of air like this. T, t, t. And if you put your hand in front of your mouth, you should feel just a little quick puff of air. See if you can do it. Ready? T, t, t. Let's look at how to make an uppercase or capital letter T. You would use that top line. You're going to do a line straight across. Then go to the middle of that line and do a straight line down. Now to your lowercase t, start at the top. Do a straight line down. Then you're going to cross at that middle dotted line. Let's listen to some words that start with the T sound. Listen and see if you can hear that letter T, T. Teapot. Say it with me, teapot. Say table, ready? Table. Say taco, taco. Say tie, tie. Did you hear that T at the beginning? Let's listen for the beginning sound. If you hear T, thumb up. If you hear any other beginning sound, thumbs down. Let's chop it. Tornado. Ready? T, ornado. Thumb up. Pear. P, air. Thumbs down. That's pointing to a tab. Chop, tab. Ready? T, ab. Thumbs up. Tile. T, aisle. Thumbs up. Tent. T, ent. Thumbs up. Moose. Oose. Thumbs down. Now let's listen for our ending sound. If we hear T at the end, thumbs up. If you hear any other ending sound, thumbs down. Let's punch it out to hear the ending. Hit. Ready? Do it with me. Hit. Thumbs up. Rot. Ready? Rot. Thumbs up. Soap. Soap. Thumbs down. Bell. Bell. Thumbs down. Cub. Cub. Thumbs down. Pat. Pat. Thumbs up. Now let's find the middle sound. We're going to roller coaster it to hear what's in the middle. Fox. Ready? F, ox. Coat. K, o, t. Wet. W, et. Win. W, I, n. Cave. K, a, v. Mouse. Ow. S. Let's roller coaster can. K, a, n. What did you hear in the middle of can? Ah. So we're going to look at these pictures and figure out which ones have that same middle sound as can. Let's roller coaster tack. T, a, k. What do you think? Yes, it had a. Let's try bed. B, ed. What do you think? No, it had eh. We're looking for eh. Let's try hill. H, I, L. Nope. That was an I. We want a. Try pan. P, a, n. What do you think? Yes, it had a. Let's try to blend some words together. See if you can say it before I reveal the picture. Ready? Hamper. Hamper. Monkey. Monkey. Recess. Recess. Now let's blend our onset and rhyme. See if you can put it together before I show you the picture. Ready? At. Rat. At. Sat. At. Cat. Now let's try blending 3 sounds. See if you can say it before me. Ready? B, at. Bat. P, at. Pot. K, it. Kit. V, et. Vet. T, ip. Tip. T, app. Tap. Now that we've practiced blending the sounds together, we're going to look at letters and say the sounds and blend them together to make a word. Let's look at each sound. Say the sounds with me, and then we'll smooth it out to make a word. Ready? At. Smooth it. At. That's the word at. Let's try this one. Say each sound with me. Ready? At. Smooth it out. Sat. Sat. Let's try this one. Ready? At. Smooth it out. Pat. Pat. Read this one with me. Ready? Each sound. At. Smooth it out. Mat. Mat. Last one. Say each sound. Ready? T, a, p. Smooth it out. Tap. Tap. Let's clap and count our syllables. Wiggle. Wiggle. And if you have trouble remembering how many claps you did, then you can put fingers up. Wiggle. 2. Popsicle. Popsicle. And if you have trouble remembering or counting it, do it again with fingers. Popsicle. 3. Let's do clippers. Ready? Clippers. 2. Circus. Circus. 2. House. House. 1. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. 3. Now let's pull apart or segment our word into syllables. Put your hands together. Juggle. Ready? Juggle. Juggle. Robot. 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 Crayon. 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 Now it's time to stretch our word into each sound that we hear. So grab your imaginary slinky. I'll use my real one. You grab your imaginary one to stretch out, and let's hear all of our sounds. That first picture is of a cot. Say cot. Cot. Let's stretch it out. Ready? Cot. K, a, t. How many sounds was that? K, a, t. 3. 3 sounds. So I'm going to have 3 counters or dots for each sound we heard. Let's stretch out cat. Ready? K, a, t. Count it. K, a, t. 3 sounds. Cut. Stretch cut. K, T. Count it. K, T. 3 sounds or phonemes. Let's practice substituting. Say melted. Melted. Change melt to twist. Twisted. Say twisted. Change twist to plant. Planted. Say planted. Planted. Change plant to lift. Lifted. Say lifted. Change lift to rent. Rented. Say rented. Change rent to melt. Melted. Now we're going to add to the end of a word. Say shout. Shout. Add ed. Shouted. Say wait. Wait. Add ed. Waited. Say heat. Add ed. Heated. Say pound. Add ed. Pounded. Say list. Add ed. Listed. Now we're going to delete part of it or get rid of it. Say window. Window. Get rid of the O. What's left? Wind. Say yellow. Yellow. Get rid of the O. What's left? Yell. Say pillow. Get rid of the O. Pill. Say jello. Get rid of the O. What's left? Gel. Boys and girls, let's practice stretching out our words so that we can label them. Now remember, it's okay if it's not spelled perfectly. What I want you to work on is stretching it out and writing a letter for each sound that you hear. So let's label grass. Stretch out grass with me. Ready? G, A, S. I heard 4 sounds, so I need at least 4 letters. G, A, S. And if you did it like that, that would be perfect. Now in real life, grass has 2 S's. But if you only had 1, that would be fine because you had all of the sounds. Let's look at dirt. Let's stretch dirt. Ready? D, T. So I heard 3 sounds, so I need at least 3 letters. D, T. Now if you have this, that would be fine. But every word is always going to have a vowel, so I know I'm definitely missing something. So I'm going to go back and fix it because IR says So now I have it correctly. D, T. Okay, let's do one more. I see a bunch of men. Stretch men with me. Ready? N. That's 3 sounds, so I need at least 3 letters. N. All right, boys and girls, what else would you label here? Can you pick out one thing that you would label? Can you try to stretch it out so you hear each sound? What letters would you write? We're going to review the sight word like. Let's read it. Ready? Like. Let's clap it. L-I-K-E, like. Punch it. L-I-K-E, like. Write it in the air. Ready? L-I-K-E, like. Let's read our sight words. Try to read it with me. Ready? I like the toothbrush. We like the toucan. We can see a toaster. I can see a ticket. Great job!